I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller to a Windows PC and confirming it shows up in the Game Controllers panel. Once done, install a small library or tool that can call X input set state, for example a C hash project using sharp-dx or a Python wrapper that exposes vibration. Make sure drivers are current and the cable is reliable. This step gets you from a passive peripheral to something you can command programmatically, which is the only reliable way to force continuous vibration. Now write a tiny program that repeatedly calls X input set state in a controlled loop. Use a 30 to 60 Hz update rate and set the small and large motor values to the desired 0-65,535 range. For steady vibration, choose a constant non-zero value. Make the loop cancelable by a hotkey or console input so you can stop vibration quickly. Running as administrator avoids permission quirks. This code-driven approach keeps the motors constantly commanded, which is why it's finally execute your program and confirm the controller vibrates continuously. Monitor for warmth and be ready to stop with your hotkey. If nothing happens, make sure no other process, like Steam or a game, holds exclusive X input control, double-check device ID, and confirm driver health. If vibration drops, lower motor values or increase update frequency slightly. Remember, continuous max intensity can overheat motors, so test short bursts before prolonged use and always provide an emergency stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.